I love her. Actually, I've been following her from past 2 years.
Kill me now. Look at this cute little fella. Hi guys, this is Lisha Bata and welcome to my channel. मैं बहुत ही महीनों बाद vlogging कर रही हूँ and I'm looking like a hobo. I'm in my hobo state, so I just took a bath, did my skincare, and tomorrow I am shooting outside. So ever since COVID started, I haven't shot outside. मैं घर पे ही manage कर रही थी for more than a year. And now that I'm fully vaccinated, I just thought एक बार बाहर कर ही लेते हैं because creativity wise and mental health wise मतलब काम हो ही नहीं पा रहा है घर पे. So yeah, this is what the vlog is going to be about. And if you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon as well. अगर आप बेल आइकन नहीं दबाओगे तो आपको नोटिफिकेशंस ही नहीं आएंगी व्हेन अ न्यू वीडियो गोज लाइव. तो अभी मेरे को सब कुछ करना है. आई हैव टू स्ट्रेटन माई हेयर, डिसाइड एंड आयरन माई आउटफिट्स, पैक देम, फाइंड ज्वेलरी, फाइंड शूज, eat, and again straighten my hair. Like I actually got my hair blow dried yesterday, but within 5 minutes because of the humidity it was again like baby curly and so frizzy. And आज ना मेरा पता नहीं कुछ चटपटा खाने का मन कर रहा था. I was really craving for गोलगप्पास. So मैंने पास में BDW है, वहाँ से गोलगप्पास and राज कचौड़ी मंगवा ली, which I'm very excited about. I'm going to eat that, then go and feed my stray doggos and then start working because then मैं ना बिल्कुल टेंशन फ्री होके काम कर पाऊंगी. अदरवाइज मैं अगर पहले काम करने लग गई ना, बार बार मेरे स्ट्रेस में चलेगा कि डॉग्स को खाना खिलाना है, डॉग्स को खाना खिलाना है. अरे मैंने सूजी के किए थे, आटे के भेज दिए. Okay, so मैंने गोलगप्पास की प्रेप कर ली है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कमेंट बिलो एंड टेल मी, आर यू टीम सूजी और टीम आटा? एंड ऑल्सो ना इस बार मीठा एंड खट्टा पानी दोनों आया. आई मोस्टली प्रेफर मीठी चटनी विद तीखा या खट्टा पानी. अब I'm gonna go and prepare dogs का खाना, बाहर वाले dogs का. Blackie, go eat. Go eat. Aja, come. Okay, so I'm back from feeding the dogs and now we're gonna tackle this. I have to figure out क्या पहनना है. I've also taken out my big bag today. I usually take this one for shoots, but since I'll be shooting 5 looks this time, I feel like I should take the bigger one because there'll be shoes, accessories, makeup. So I'm just gonna carry the bigger one. By the way, for the first time I'll be wearing a skirt. I've always had inhibitions about my wide hips and my short height. तो मुझे लगता है मैं स्कर्ट में एक बिल्कुल हिप्पोपोटेमस की तरह लगती हूँ. You know, all that negative self talk we adhere ourselves to. Now I am confused. Should I pair it with this corset, which is really pretty? It's a tweed का corset, or this white corset. So what I like is ये white वाले में ना straps है, so it's not that revealing. मतलब थोड़ा support भी मिल जाता है इससे. And this actually goes well because इसमें हल्का सा green भी, and I feel like it matches really well. And this will also be my first time wearing a corset, like ever. I have never worn a corset in my life. I'm so nervous and excited. It's exhilarating. I feel like कि एक और restriction मैंने अपने आप से हटा दी है, like self-imposed restriction. It's not even कि फैमिली ने कुछ बोला है कुछ. इट्स अ सेल्फ इम्पोज रिस्ट्रिक्शन. आई जस्ट नेवर बिन दैट कंफर्टेबल इन माई लाइफ. एंड हम ये पब्लिकली शूट कर रहे हैं, लाइक ऐसा नहीं घर पे कर रहे हैं, क्लोज सेट पे हो रहा है. बाहर एक रेस्टोरेंट में हम शूट कर रहे हैं. आई एम गोना फ्रिकिंग वेयर दिस. एंड so the surprise for this vlog is that I am actually meeting one of my Instagram followers. And recently ना मैंने एक story लगाई थी where I said I want assistance for this shoot because ये shoot ना 5 looks का, and I've never done 5 looks. I always do 3 looks and उसमें ना मेरी energy चली जाती है 3-4 hours में, like I'm drained fully because you're shooting in the heat and then people are looking at you and all of that. So I just said I'm looking for some assistance, and she was the first person to respond, one of the first few people to respond. And I loved her profile. She's a makeup artist also, so I just thought it'll be really fun. So I'm meeting her for the first time, and I'm planning a little goodie bag for her. I don't know, like I just want to give it to her, so I have to do that as well. I hope I don't forget. So now what I'm gonna do is with every dress I will figure out the bag and the shoe. So this is the हालत of my studio right now. मैंने PR unboxing की थी Instagram पे एंड कल शूट भी किया था तो सेटअप वैसे का ही वैसा पड़ा है. यहाँ पे सारा सामान निकला हुआ है. लाइफ इतनी chaotic हुई हुई है ना अभी. एंड लोग झूला झूला यहाँ पे बिकॉज देयर स्टफ हैपनिंग देयर वाज सम पैकिंग हैपनिंग. तो झूला उतारना पड़ा. ओ माय गॉड मुझे लिटरली ना एंजाइटी हो रही है देख के. तो काफ़ी कुछ करना है एंड माई बैटरी इज़ लो. आई डोंट नो मैं कितना शूट कर पाऊंगी. मेरी बैटरी लो नहीं है. मेरी बैटरी भी वैसे लो है बट फ़ोन की बैटरी भी लो है. कलर भी रखना है बाय द वे बैग में. kill me now. Oh my god, Lakme के product डालना. अच्छा, by the way I'm also shooting for Lakme tomorrow. So they launched their matte melt liquid lipsticks. उसका भी a swatch video is going live next week only, or maybe it's already live. I'm not sure when this goes, like when this vlog will go up, but मैं सब कुछ description box में डाल दूंगी. Finally the bag I think is packed and I also packed some stuff for Fatima. Packed some makeup items, a couple of skincare products. She's like a makeup artist, so I included like base products which I feel like she can use on her clients. पता नहीं क्यों ऐसा लग रहा है कुछ तो missing है. It's like the same anxiety before travel कि कुछ रह गया है. So कल अब हम मिलेंगे मतलब इसी vlog में. Vlog I'm not ending, but we will. But I will now see you on set tomorrow when I'm shooting. Guys, so I'm all ready. बालों की आज हालत खराब है. Straight ही नहीं रह रहे हैं. इतनी बार कर चुकी हूँ ना. I want them like pin straight, okay? वहाँ जाके I will do curl, but शायद बाहर बारिश का मौसम हुआ है. Like what the ओके तो अभी मुझे एक बहुत बड़ा झटका लगा है. जो बेसिकली मेरी फॉलोअर आ रही थी मुझसे मिलने, हमने रियलाइज़ किया कि वो बॉम्बे में है और मैं दिल्ली में हूँ. लाइक उसको पता नहीं था कि मैं दिल्ली में हूँ. शी थॉट आई वाज इन बॉम्बे फॉर अ शूट एंड मैंने उसकी प्रोफाइल में कहीं क्लियरली था नहीं मेंशन कि शी इज़ फ्रॉम बॉम्बे. सो आई ऑल्सो गॉट कन्फ्यूज्ड and now I'm in damage control mode. But anyway, this is our shoot location. This place is called Diablo in Delhi. बहुत pretty है. रात को तो और भी अच्छा लगता है. अभी clearing चल रही थी because कल late night काफ़ी देर तक party थी. So let me show you indoors as well. I really love the interiors. It's one of my favorite places in Delhi. Guys, look who's here with me.
Hi.
Introduce yourself.
I'm Charlie and I love her. Actually, I've been following her from past 2 years and I'm
Oh my
also
god.
makeup artist and I can't believe today she just called me and I'm shooting with her.
She's literally saving the day because you guys must have known by now. So I actually जिनसे मेरी बात हुई थी, she's in Bombay. And she thought I was in Bombay and मैंने notice ही नहीं किया कि like she's from Bombay. So she
I read
actually
your
reached the
story
place
and you
in
mentioned
Bombay. Like I texted her like 2 hours ago कि आ सकते हो. I know it's last minute but if you can come that would be great. And she's like yeah I would. Literally saved the day. Thank you so much and I'll be mentioning her links and everything, her Insta and YouTube in the description box below. Go and follow her. So I'm quickly gonna go and get into my third outfit. And पता कितना tricky होता है fashion blogging business. I'm wearing a corset and अकेले मैं ये नहीं बंद कर पाती. ठीक है? So I'm so glad Charvi is here to help me get into it. I got these heels for this outfit. ये कल ही पता deliver हुआ. I was waiting आ जाए. Where's my jewelry? I've lost my train of thought. Streeting तो करने का फायदा ही नहीं हुआ.
नहीं अभी तो नहीं.
So for this third look we were shooting at a time जो lunch time था, so काफ़ी ज़्यादा लोग थे and we were also not really able to get the kind of pictures I wanted. थोड़ा सा elements ज़्यादा थे in the restaurant and there were too many chairs, so the picture wasn't turning out nice. But फिर we winged it and if you want to see the final results like ये सारे outfit की final pictures मेरे Instagram पर already live हैं. we finally done. It took us what's the time?
About 3.
It took us like 5 hours for 5 outfits. Guys, we are exhausted. But how do you pronounce your name exactly? Like I have to call you Charlie.
Charlie. You're the first person to pronounce it in one go.
See? मेरा इतना mispronounce हुआ था कि I'm very particular about people's names. But she helped me out so much with the outfits, with the BTS. अगर ये vlog online जा रहा है तो you know all the footage is thanks to Charvi. So make sure you go follow her channel. And thank you so much for coming and I had such a great time with you.
I had a great time. Loved it. Thank you.
It's a very small token of love. I know. In fact, the last person also was a makeup artist, so उसके हिसाब से मैंने किया था. I just got done with the shoot. I am not very loud because I'm so not used to vlogging in public. Just had something to eat, had a mocktail, and now I'm gonna head out in a bit. But I'm waiting for my friend. I just thought अब मैं बाहर निकली हूँ तो मिल ही लेती हूँ. I couldn't shoot a proper ending because I was just too tired. But अगर आपको ये vlog पसंद आया then please do hit the like button and नीचे मुझे comments पर भी बताओ. Let me know if you want to see more such vlogs from my end. मैंने आगरा का भी shoot किया था तो if you guys enjoy these vlogs I will definitely post it soon.